Searching for quick fixes. It's a really sure way to not get better. We all go through it. I know everyone that I've ever helped recover from chronic fatigue syndrome went through that stage of searching for quick fixes. It's not your fault. The system's kind of let you down. The system tells you that when you're sick, you go to the doctors, you take a pill, you get better. It doesn't work like that with chronic fatigue syndrome recovery. You might be in bed for a whole week. You might be struggling an entire month, maybe two. And as soon as you get a glimmer of energy, what do? You put on your Superwoman or Superman jacket and you go, I'm going to do everything. I'm going to clean the entire house. I'm going to see all my friends. I'm going to call everybody. I'm going to do the gardening. I'm going to X, Y, Z. You get the picture. That's a really short way that you're not going to get better by always constantly pushing yourself way beyond your capacity whenever you have energy. We see so many people get caught up in the identity of their diagnosis. And we say at CFS Health that your diagnosis isn't your end destination. But so many people hold onto it and grip onto it like it is who they are. But you are not your illness. You can be if you choose to be, but you also don't have to be if you choose something different. And we do see this as a sticking point for many people who they almost bring on that identity of their diagnosis. This is just who I am. This is my reality. This is who I am for life. And again, if you're wearing that like a piece of clothing, you can take it off and you can put something different on. And we see the people that get better and recover, they're not holding on to their illness identity at all. In fact, they don't really get caught up in labels. They get a diagnosis and then they move forwards and again, focus on solutions that can help them move forwards. Complaining about your situation, again, easy to do. We've all been there. It's part of life. You're a human being. However, is it going to help you get better? No. We see this all the time. We've never met a person who's recovered from chronic fatigue syndrome who sits there every day and complains about their problems. And by the way, we're reverse engineering this. So don't feel bad if you're doing these things. This is to bring awareness so you can literally stop doing it and do the complete opposite of it. As human beings, it's a lot easier for us to know what not to do than to know what to do. And awareness is the key starting point here.